Welcome in learning maths in easy way. We are going to start the laws of exponent, class 9, chapter number 1. So these are the laws of exponent you have studied in class 8. ये हम क्या है कि there is a base is same and the power are different. तो what we have to do कि हमें क्या करना होता है, base और power should be added in that. Or if the second case is that कि when the numbers are in the division form but the base is same, तो क्या होता है कि we can subtract the powers. And the third one is when the one number has a power और उसकी भी power होती है, तो we have to the multiply of the powers, a to the power m और n. जैसे कि यहाँ पर m और n powers हैं तो it should be multiplied. किसी भी number का power 0 होता है तो it should be 1. And the fifth one is something different is there are two different base. ये different base है और these are the powers. यदि power same है तो we can multiply the base और power same एक ही रह जाती है. ठीक है, तो ये form होती है, it is a form of the exponent actually. But here is a case that कि if the powers in the rational form तो हमें क्या करना होता है, these are called the radicals. ठीक है, तो रेडिकल्स में क्या होता है कि हियर आर द पावर इन द होल नंबर्स एक्चुअली, और अब रेडिकल्स में क्या होता है, द पावर्स आर इन द रैशनल फॉर्म. लाइक कि हमारा जो बेस है, लेट इट इज, ये बेस है, इट इज बेस, पावर इज 1/m और इन द मल्टीप्लाई इट इज 1/m. सो क्या करते हैं कि बेस में 1/m प्लस 1/m वी कैन सॉल्व इट. और इसको भी हम कर सकते हैं कि वी विल टेक द एलसीएम हियर और n plus m will be the answer. So we can solve it by taking an example, like example is 2 ka power 1/2 and it is 2 ki power 1/3. So what we have to do, 2 1/2 plus 1/3. So we can write as 2 to the power 6, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 and it will be 2 3s are or 3 2s are. So answer will be 2 5/6. So it will be the answer. The first one is that. Now the second one is like it is a to the power m 1/m or it is in division 1/m. Okay, so we can write it is 1/m minus 1/n. Okay, so the example is if 3 to the power 1/5 upon 3 to the power 3/5. Okay, so what we have to do, हमें क्या करना है, we will shift here 1/5, ये जो power है नीचे वाली it will be like that minus sign के साथ. तो LCM is 5, 1 minus 3, it will be 3 की power 2/5. तो it will be the answer. Now third one is that कि if the power is a to the power 1/m, okay, और इसकी भी power है 1/n, तो what we have to do, the multiplication of the powers. So we can write as 1/mn. Example is here कि the question is 27 to the power 2/3. So how we will solve it? तो हमें क्या करना होता है कि we have to convert it in the 27 को we can convert in the prime factors. कैसे करेंगे, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 और ये है 2/3. So we can write is 3 to the power 3 और उसकी भी पावर है 2/3. So we can do the multiply of powers like that और ये कट हो गया. So 3 to the power 2 और we can write the answer is 9. Now come to the next is if it is in the form like that. Okay, so we can write it as a to the power m का whole power it is n, तो ये 1/n में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. So it is power to the power, so we can multiply of it and write it as a to the power m/n. ठीक है, now the example is like that कि हमारे पास कोई नंबर है 5 to the power 3 and the number it is here 15. So how we will solve it? तो it is 5 to the power 3 का whole power 1/15. So we have to multiply of the powers. It will be cut. So answer is 5 1/5. Okay, and we can write the answers again in the form as this. हम लिख भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी. ठीक है. Now these are the concept of the radicals. Some other examples of radicals from Asian book. So examples are, these are the question, find the value of. Okay, so how we will solve this type of questions? हमें क्या करना होता है? We have to do the prime factors of it. 5 into 5 into 5, because 25 into 25 is 625, so we can write it again in the prime factors 1 upon 4. Okay, so we can write is 5 to the power 4 into 1 upon 4. 4 से 4 cancel out and the answer is 5. Okay, and the other example is 32 to the power 3 upon 5. Okay, so in this question the same process will be there. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16, 2 the 32, 3 upon 5. We can write is 2 to the power 5 and the power 3 upon 5. So multiplication of the powers, it will be 2 to the power 3 and this will be 2 into 2 into 2, that means it is 8. Okay, now come to the next. It is 13 to the power 1 upon 5 into 13 to the power 1 upon 7. So here the same base are here and it is means that is multiplication. So what we have to do, power should be added. 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 7. So it will be 13. LCM of it is 35. 7 plus 5, that is 13 to the power 12 upon 35. So by this method we can solve the different type of questions. Now it is the next next question of the radicals. So here what we have to do is, this question is of simplification, that means we have to find out the value of this. So what we have to do, it is 64. So we can write it as 4 into 4 into 4 to the power minus 1 upon 3. Okay, in the bracket it is also 4 to the power 3 to the power 1 upon 3, and here 4 to the power 3 2 upon 3, like that. So you can write is 4 to power 3 to the power minus 1 upon 3, and here multiplication of the powers. ठीक है, ये भी कट हो गया. When we do the multiply 4 to the power minus 1, here 4 to the power 1 minus 4 to the power 2. और यहाँ पर क्या है, it is a negative power, so we have to convert it in the positive power 1 upon 4, and it is 4 minus 16. 4 minus 16 is minus 12 upon 4. So it will be, answer is minus 3. So by this rules of the radicals, you can solve the problems of radicals. Thank you.